Welcome to the fascinating world of reptiles. Today, we'll dive into their names, what their babies are called, how to identify males and females, their diets, and where they live, all in English and Hindi. Plus, we'll share their scientific names for a deeper understanding. आइए, सरीसृपों की रोमांचक दुनिया में गोता लगाए। आज हम उनके नाम, उनके बच्चों के नाम, नर मादा की पहचान, भोजन और निवास स्थान के बारे में जानेंगे, अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में। साथ ही हम उनके वैज्ञानिक नाम भी बताएंगे। This is a crocodile, मगरमच्छ. Scientific name Crocodilidae. The male is called a nar magarmachh, bull crocodile, and the female is a mada magarmachh, cow crocodile. Their baby is called a hatchling, nanha magarmachh. Diet: crocodiles are mansahari carnivorous. They eat fish, birds, mammals, and even small crocodiles. ये मछली, पक्षी, स्तनधारी और छोटे मगरमच्छ खाते हैं. Habitat: they live in rivers, lakes, wetlands, and coastal regions found in places like Africa, Asia, and Australia. ये नदियों, झीलों, आर्द्रभूमि और तटीय क्षेत्रों में रहते हैं. This is an alligator, alligator. Scientific name Alligatoridae. The male is called a nar alligator, bull alligator, and the female is a mada alligator, cow alligator. Their baby is called a hatchling, nanha alligator. Diet: alligators are mansahari carnivorous. They eat fish, turtles, birds, and mammals. ये मछली, कछुए, पक्षी और स्तनधारी खाते हैं. Habitat: they thrive in freshwater environments like swamps, marshes, and rivers, mainly in the southeastern United States and China. ये दलदल, नदियों और झीलों में रहते हैं. This is a lizard, छिपकली. Scientific name Lacertilia, suborder of Squamata. The male is called a nar chipkali, male lizard, and the female is a mada chipkali, female lizard. Their baby is called a hatchling or juvenile, nanhi chipkali. Diet: most lizards are mansahari, carnivorous, eating insects and small bugs. Some, like iguanas, are shakahari, herbivorous, eating plants. ये कीड़े, छोटे कीट या पौधे खाते हैं. Habitat: lizards live in diverse habitats, from deserts to forests, across all continents except Antarctica. ये रेगिस्तान, जंगल और दुनिया भर में रहते हैं. This is a snake, सांप. Scientific name Serpentes, suborder of Squamata. The male is called a nar सांप, male snake, and the female is a mada सांप, female snake. Their baby is called a hatchling or snakelet, nanha सांप. Diet: snakes are mansahari, carnivorous. They eat rodents, frogs, birds, and eggs. ये चूहे, मेंढक, पक्षी और अंडे खाते हैं. Habitat: snakes are found in forests, grasslands, deserts, and even oceans, worldwide except in polar regions. ये जंगल, घास के मैदान, रेगिस्तान और समुद्र में रहते हैं. This is a turtle, कछुआ. Scientific name Testudines. The male is called a nar kachua, male turtle, and the female is a mada kachua, female turtle. Their baby is called a hatchling, nanha kachua. Diet: turtles are sarvahari, omnivorous. They eat plants, insects, and small aquatic animals. ये पौधे, कीड़े और छोटे जलीय जीव खाते हैं. Habitat: turtles live in oceans, freshwater lakes, and rivers, with some species on land. ये समुद्र, झीलों और नदियों में रहते हैं. This is a chameleon, girgit. Scientific name Chamaeleonidae. The male is called a nar girgit, male chameleon, and the female is a mada girgit, female chameleon. Their baby is called a hatchling, nanha girgit. Diet: chameleons are mansahari, carnivorous. They eat insects and small invertebrates. ये कीड़े और छोटे अकशेरुकी खाते हैं. Habitat: they live in forests, savannas, and shrublands, mainly in Africa and Madagascar. ये जंगल, सवाना और झाड़ियों में रहते हैं. This is a tortoise, कछुआ, स्थलीय. Scientific name Testudinidae. The male is called a nar kachua, male tortoise, and the female is a mada kachua, female tortoise. Their baby is called a hatchling, nanha kachua. Diet: Tortoises are mostly शाकाहारी, herbivorous, eating grasses, leaves and fruits. ये घास, पत्तियां और फल खाते हैं. Habitat. They live in dry, arid regions like deserts and grasslands, found in Africa, Asia and the Americas. ये रेगिस्तान और घास के मैदानों में रहते हैं. This is an iguana. Scientific name, Iguanidae. The male is called a nar iguana, male iguana, and the female is a mada iguana, female iguana. Their baby is called a hatchling, nanha iguana. Diet. Iguanas are shakahari, herbivorous, eating leaves, flowers and fruits. ये पत्तियां, फूल और फल खाते हैं. Habitat. ये उष्णकटिबंधीय जंगल, रेगिस्तान और तटीय क्षेत्रों में रहते हैं.